When you're ready, close your eyes down and begin by taking a nice deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a few seconds, then slowly exhale through your mouth. That's right, and again, breathing in through your nose. Hold it, then slowly exhale through your mouth. Good. And one more time, this time breathing in calmness. Hold it, and then exhaling any tension or stress that you may be feeling right now. Good. Notice how your body has already begun to slow down just by breathing deeply. And as we go through this session today, you may hear some unexpected sounds, such as people walking or talking, phones ringing, or maybe doors opening or closing. Just allow these sounds to let you drift deeper and deeper into the calmness that you are about to go into. You are now going to, when you're ready, ground your energy to the earth and connect with your all-knowing higher power. I'd like you to visualize, imagine, or feel yourself barefoot in a soft, squishy mud puddle. This puddle of mud is warm, and the mud is squishing up between your toes. Good. Now I'd like you to imagine roots, much like those of a tree, beginning to sprout out from the soles of your feet. See yourself standing there, with roots coming out from the bottom of your feet, growing and twisting and planting themselves deep into the center of the core of the earth. Nothing can move you, as these roots are so deeply embedded into the core of the earth that it is impossible to uproot you. Your feet are planted firmly on and in the ground. This is what makes you feel truly present, with a strong connection to this earth. Now I'd like you to connect to your all-knowing higher power by imagining, seeing, or feeling a column of bright white light coming from the clouds. Imagine these clouds parting, and a single column of light comes down and shines over your entire body. Feel the warmth of this light as it cascades over your body. Good. This is the energy that will connect you to your intuition and give you guidance. You're doing great. Notice the way your physical being feels, so solidly connected here to this earth. Good. And allow that image to fade from your mind's eye now. Excellent. Now slowly take a breath in, pause for a moment, and then exhale slowly. Let that tension melt away as you relax more deeply with each breath. Continue breathing slowly and gently. Now I'd like you to turn your attention to the top of your head. Feel the relaxation beginning at the top of your scalp and spreading slowly downwards. Even your ears are becoming relaxed and heavy. Feeling your eyebrows resting, gently resting downward. Your forehead is becoming relaxed and smooth. Allowing your temples to relax. Letting your jaw relax by allowing your teeth to slightly part. Allow your tongue to relax and drop down. And feel your throat relaxing. Relax your cheeks, your nose, and eyes. Feel your eyelids becoming very heavy and very relaxed, more and more relaxed. And continue this relaxation. Enjoy the feeling of relaxation. Now turn your attention to your neck. Allow a feeling of relaxation to begin at the top of your neck and flow downward. Feel the relaxation as your shoulders become relaxed and loose. And let your shoulders gently sink downward. As they become relaxed and heavy and very relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed. Feel your collarbones becoming relaxed as your shoulders gently move back and your chest widens slightly. Allow all the muscles in your shoulders to feel smooth and relaxed as the muscles give up their hold completely. Notice your breathing once again. See how regular it has become. Continue to take slow, smooth, deep breaths. Breathe in the feeling of relaxation and breathe out any tension. Your breathing allows you to become more and more relaxed, deeply relaxed. Now turn your attention to your arms. Feel the relaxation flowing down from your shoulders. Allow your upper arms to relax, your elbows, lower arms, and wrist become loose and relaxed. Both of your arms are now totally relaxed. Allow them to be free and limp, pleasantly relaxed. Allow the feeling of relaxation to continue to your chest and stomach. Feel the relaxation there, becoming deeper with each breath. And now turn your attention to your upper back. Feel the relaxation flow down your spine. Let all the muscles give up their hold. Relax your upper back, your middle back, and lower back. Allow your back to relax completely. Feel the relaxation in your whole upper body. Relax more deeply with each breath, more and more relaxed, deeply relaxed and calm. And let your hip muscles relax. Relax all the way from your buttocks, down the back of your thighs. Relax the muscles on the front of your thighs. And feel the relaxation in your upper legs moving down to your knees, your calves and your shins, your ankles and your feet. Allow all the muscles to relax and go limp. Now allow any last bits of tension to flow right out the soles of your feet. Feel the relaxation flowing through your body, from the top of your head down to the bottoms of your feet. Become more relaxed with each breath. Enjoy the feeling of total relaxation. You are now as relaxed as you want to be. Experience the feeling of deep relaxation. Enjoy the feeling, relaxed, calm, at peace. Focus on the feeling of relaxation throughout your body. Notice your breathing, your relaxed muscles, your calm thoughts. Memorize this feeling so you can recreate this relaxed state whenever you wish. Enjoy relaxing for a few moments more. Now slowly and gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a nice deep breath and open your eyes. Meditation is most effective when done on a daily basis, so choose the meditation style that works for you and begin your practice on a daily basis.